Do you feel that sharp, burning pain that shoots from your lower back down through your leg? That deep ache that makes sitting, standing, and even sleeping feel impossible. That is sciatica, and so many seniors suffer with it every single day. You do not need to stand up or get on the floor to find relief. This simple 5-minute seated routine can ease that nerve pain gently and safely, right from your favorite chair. Exercise 1 is called the seated figure 4 stretch. An elderly woman sits tall in a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor. She lifts her right ankle and rests it gently on top of her left knee, creating the shape of the number 4 with her legs. She sits up straight, relaxes her shoulders, and slowly leans her body just slightly forward. An old woman doing this seated stretch in peaceful morning sunlight shows how accessible and calming it feels. Hold for 5 deep breaths, then switch sides. Breathe out slowly with each exhale and feel the tension melting away from your lower body. Exercise 2 is the seated spinal twist. A senior man sits up tall in his chair, both feet flat on the floor. He places his right hand on his left knee and gently turns his upper body to the left, looking slowly over his left shoulder. A senior man doing a gentle seated twist shows how soft and controlled this movement should be. Hold for 3 slow breaths, then return to center and repeat on the other side. Only rotate as far as comfortable for your back. Never force this stretch. This movement gently releases pressure along the entire length of the sciatic nerve. Exercise 3 is the seated forward bend. An elderly woman sits at the edge of her chair with her feet slightly wider than her hips. She places both hands on her thighs, relaxes her shoulders completely, and slowly lets her upper body fold forward and down toward the floor. A senior woman smiling and slowly bending forward in her chair shows how gentle and relieving this feels. Let your hands slide down toward your ankles if that feels comfortable. Hold for 5 long, slow breaths. This stretch opens up the lower back and takes pressure directly off the sciatic nerve. Exercise 4 is mindful deep breathing with lower back support. An old man sitting comfortably in his armchair places both hands on his lower back, gently pressing his palms into the muscles on either side of his spine. He closes his eyes, breathes in deeply through his nose for 4 counts, then breathes out slowly for 6 counts. A senior man sitting with his eyes closed and hands on his lower back in warm afternoon light shows how powerful stillness truly is. Do this for 1 full minute. Slow breathing reduces the nervous system tension that makes sciatic pain so much worse. You have just done something incredibly kind for your body and your nervous system today. A senior woman standing up from her chair and walking slowly with a relieved smile shows what consistent gentle care can achieve. Sciatica does not have to control your day. You have the tools right now to find relief. Keep practicing, keep breathing, and be proud of yourself. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.